Craving something sweet? Nutella is the perfect spread for your toast. With its rich, creamy texture and unique hazelnut flavor, it's sure to give you that extra touch of deliciousness you're looking for. What's the story behind it? Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Nutella and its secret ingredient. Nutella is the Italian brand name for a spread cream containing chocolate and hazelnuts, invented by Pietro Ferrero, and introduced to the market in 1964. Since its invention in the mid-20th century, Nutella has become one of the most beloved treats around the world. On April 20, 1964, the first jar of Nutella came out from the Ferrero factory in Alba. Its origins, however, date back to the 1940s and before. The story of Nutella chocolate began in 1944, after World War II. The country suffered from a shortage of raw materials and basic resources because of the cessation of commercial movement. So, bakers could not find cocoa powder. They decided to search for materials instead of cocoa. Pietro Ferrero, an Italian baker, created a recipe using sugar, hazelnut powder, and a little cocoa powder. He named it gianduia, after the popular carnival at the time, and it came in the form of a loaf that was designed to be cut and eaten on bread. The chocolate flavor became popular among children. As a result, these blocks became quite popular among the people. Mr. Pietro decided to improve these blocks and make the texture creamier to spread easily on the bread. Ferrero also changed the name of his product to Supercrema Gianduia. In the year 1964, Michel, Pietro's son, attempted to improve his father's recipe. He wanted to make some changes to guarantee that the spread was of the highest quality. In 1965, Michel worked on visual changes that resulted in the distinctive jar that is still well known today. Pietro's son took a lot of thinking and chose to call it Nutella. This name was formed by combining two words. The first word is nut, created from hazelnut, and ella, which means positivity. The letter N is in black in the logo, whereas the other letters are red. Due to trademark concerns, Ferrero had to preserve the initial N in black, as the name Nutella was also used by another company. He, therefore, modified the color of the letter N to keep it distinctive. After 1 year of its launch, it dominated the German market, and in 2005 Nutella achieved history by being included in the Guinness World Book of Records, after hosting the largest continental breakfast ever with Nutella. The event attracted over 20,000 participants, making it a topic of discussion for years to come. Nutella began to expand into other markets. It was launched to the French market in 1966 and quickly became a breakfast staple. But in Britain, Nutella was skeptical about entering the British market. People's attention was focused on another spread called Marmite. But, as the saying goes, interests can change. Nutella was never one to give up. It developed campaigns that were unique to the country. And finally, it appeared in British markets and began to outperform Marmite. Nutella's exceptional taste and outstanding promotion made it popular over time. It has grown in popularity to the point where there is now a World Nutella Day. It was established on February 5, 2007. Since then, it has been observed every year. Despite that, the company enjoys serving consumers from the newest generation. It was one of the first companies that entered the social media world. Nutella requested its massive fan base to contribute its Nutella-related experiences in this campaign. Fans would be able to win rewards by contributing photographs, messages, or videos. So, people enjoyed talking about their Nutella experiences. They were sharing recipes and producing videos about it. And now, this delightful combination of chocolate and hazelnuts is available globally. Nutella is no longer just a jar. It now represents a mood. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe and give us your favorite Nutella recipe in the comments.